So welcome back to Electric Vehicles channel, my dear friends. I am Krishna Chaitanya Mandela. One thing we would like to mention that we are running a contest in our electric vehicle channel. The question for you, all of a sudden if the petrol price is reduced to 50 rupees per litre, will you still go for electric vehicle or will you shift to a petrol vehicle? Please mention that in comment section below, or you can make your videos and upload in our Telegram group. And for the best videos or best comments, and we will post that on December 10th in our channel. Coming to EV news, the first news. What's next after electric vehicles? Definitely it's hydrogen vehicles, zero emission vehicles. Toyota Mirai hydrogen vehicle recently spotted testing on Indian roads. And guess what? The range of this electric car is 640 kilometers. And even charging this, how to charge this hydrogen fuel cell vehicle? It's simple, just like filling petrol in your petrol vehicle. Using hydrogen filling stations, you can fill hydrogen liquid. It doesn't take more time, like 5 minutes to 10 minutes. And hoping for hydrogen fuel cell electric cars in India next year. And coming to our next news, one more state government joined in the electric vehicle EV policy party. Himachal Pradesh government recently approved the draft EV policy. According to this draft electric vehicle policy, the main aim of this state government is to see at least 15% of the vehicles in the state should be electric. And this is the next news for us. Delhi government recently said any diesel vehicle more than 10-year-old is not allowed in public roads. But there is a good news for you. Instead, you can do electric retrofitting on these diesel cars. How to do that? Just buy these retrofitting kits for electric cars or any electric vehicle. From a petrol vehicle, you can use any electric vehicle conversion and you can do the conversion for it. But what is the cost of a diesel car conversion? Well, it depends on the motor, controller and the battery pack you are using. Normally it starts from 3 lakh rupees and it can goes up to 6 lakh rupees, and it purely depends on the battery pack. And the next news, it's about a super electric car. What is the common complaint raised by electric car owners? It's range. Company says 500 kilometers of range. I'm getting only 300 kilometers of range. But what if you get a 1000 kilometer range electric car? Mercedes-Benz recently announced a 1000 kilometer range electric car. Wow, it's looking tempting. But maybe after hearing about the price, you may get nightmares as well. The Mercedes-Benz recently teases Vision EQXX electric car, and it will be unveiled to the public on January 3rd of 2022. And the next news, and we all love this AK-47 gun sound, especially if you play this Dead Target game. That sound, you will love this for sure. And the maker of this AK-47, the sound, the pronunciation also somewhat different, Kalashnikov. The company recently entered into the electric vehicle segment as well, registered 2 trademarks for their electric vehicles with a new brand name of Kalashnikov concept. And the company is manufacturing 2 rugged electric vehicles. Seems like for military operations, if you look at these 2 electric vehicles, the concept vehicles, looking so rugged and meant to be used for rough and tough usage. And the specifications of these 2 electric vehicles, 80 km per hour top speed and 150 kilometers of range. So AK-47 gun now coming with electric vehicle also. And the last news, it's about Xiaomi. And we all know that Mi phones, famous for smartphones and these televisions, recently announced that they are building their own electric vehicle manufacturing unit in Beijing. And the manufacturing unit, they are invested $1.5 billion, which means 150 crore dollars. In their manufacturing unit, they're going to do electric cars, electric cycles, electric bikes, whatever they want. For genuine information about electric vehicles, please to subscribe to Electric Vehicle channel. And for fast updates, please to follow our Facebook page, website and Telegram group. Go green, go electric.